question, which was, are headaches caused by a lack of Tylenol or aspirin? Why don't you go ahead and answer that for us?
Well, obviously no, Dr. Hawkins, but you would think the way people in our culture take aspirin that it would be. And what happens actually, a lot of times the cause of headaches can be found in the neck. And 80% of the headaches, it's now research has shown, is called cervicogenic headaches, meaning it originates in the neck. And I find it interesting, a lot of times I'll ask someone, they'll say, oh yeah, I went to get my eyes checked, but then I say, well, did you get your neck checked? And they don't, you know, most people don't. So definitely anyone who's suffering from headaches needs to get their neck examined by a chiropractor to see if misalignments in the neck are causing the headaches.
Okay, so then how, as a chiropractor, how would you fix that then if you found out there was a problem in the neck causing the headaches?
Well, basically we examine the neck to see if there's any misalignments, where those would be. And again, by using a gentle chiropractic adjustment, by realigning the spine, that takes the pressure off the nerve and allows the nerves to heal, so you don't have the headaches. And also some people get photophobic, where they can't see properly or they get nausea. It helps with that as well, again, because the nerves that come on the neck control those areas.
Okay, now I really want to make sure people that are watching understand this. I mean, because literally millions of people suffer with headaches on a daily basis, and they really think the only answer is to take Tylenol, take Advil, or take some kind of medication for it. So you're saying the research is showing that about 80% of most headaches are coming from the neck, and that can be helped by going to see a chiropractor.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's huge. So I really want to make sure people know that, because instead of having to take the medications over and over and over again, they can go to a chiropractor or come to see you and get it handled without having to take medications. I think that's a great gift that somebody can have.
Absolutely.
Okay, now I know we have a couple more testimonials from some people who've got great results by getting adjusted by a chiropractor to correct their headaches. Let's go ahead and listen to those right now.
Well, I've been going to a chiropractor since I was 12 years old, and I suffered from three pretty major things. One of them was migraine headaches. I used to get them frequently. I got the kind of migraine headaches where you'd be nauseated and have blurred vision out of your eyes. I also suffered from allergies. I was allergic to just about everything, and asthma, really, really bad. I mean, I couldn't even run without wheezing. And ever since I've been going to a chiropractor, a lot of things have changed. I have no more migraine headaches. I can't even remember the last time I had one. During the allergy season, when everybody's sick, taking medicine and everything, I no longer need to worry about any of that stuff because my allergies do not act up anymore. And then as far as my asthma, I have not had to take my inhaler for probably the last 7 years. So it's really helped a lot in my overall health. I would basically tell anyone who is thinking of going to a chiropractor that is absolutely, if they care about their health and they want to live a healthy, pain-free life, that they have to go see a chiropractor because it will be the best investment in their health they'll ever make.
I used to have migraine headaches for a really long time. And now seeing a chiropractor has made my headaches go away and no longer have them anymore. My headaches are now gone, so I'd encourage everyone to see a chiropractor.
That's great, doctor. And I know these testimonials really speak for themselves, you know, to hear the results that people can get by coming in and seeing a chiropractor, and now they're not taking medications anymore. It's just awesome. Now I know what's the next question I'm going to ask you is basically for low back pain now. Why is chiropractic such a good treatment for low back pain? Because you hear most people who've never been to a chiropractor, they sort of equate chiropractic with low back pain. So why is it such a great thing that people can do for low back pain?
Well, chiropractic is an excellent treatment for low back pain, and the reason for that is because, again, when people have lower back pain, it's not uncommon to have misalignments in the lower back. When the muscles are tight, it can actually pull the vertebra out of alignment, putting pressure on the nerve, causing problems with the discs and certainly pain. And by realigning the spine, a lot of times most people notice significant improvements within the first few visits for low back pain.
Okay, and it's without taking medications, no surgery, just coming in and getting the spine realigned.
Exactly.
Okay, and I know we have another couple of testimonials of some people who've had great success with getting their low back pain corrected, so let's go ahead and listen to those right now.
Well, I'm 62 years old, and at 23 I was weeding my garden, and oddly enough I fell to the ground, couldn't get up. I crawled into the house. My girlfriend worked for a chiropractor, and I went to him, and I had about 2 adjustments, and my back felt wonderful. And after that I continued going just for maintenance, and my life wouldn't be the same without chiropractic.
It's been awesome. I have been going to chiropractic care for 5-6 years now, and it's been an awesome experience. I went to go to chiropractic care because of a lower back pain, And ever since I started going, I went in for the treatments, and then I continued to go for the maintenance once a week. So and it's helped me. It's helped me a lot. I have 3 kids, 12, 10, and 9, and I've been taking them since they were 3, 4 years old, and they've never had any illnesses after that. As a matter of fact, because of their adjustments, and my wife, same thing. She enjoys it, and we all enjoy it. You won't believe the results until you do it. Do it, get it done, and you'll feel so much better, and you won't regret it.
Okay, doctor, now what about neck pain? What is it that causes most types of neck pain?
Well, neck pain is a lot of times related to stressful conditions. We live in a very stressful society, and the muscles in the neck can become tight, pulling the vertebra out of alignment, and that can actually put pressure on the nerves and again cause pain. It can also cause numbness or tingling down the arms or hands as well, shoulder problems. And by gently realigning the spine, most people find that they get very good results to help with their neck pain.
Okay, so again, it's without medications, without having surgery done. It's just coming in, getting the spine realigned. It's going to take the pressure off, and that's what's going to solve the problem.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, it's incredible. I mean, I really want to make sure people understand what we're going over here over and over again, that pinching on the nerves can really cause a lot of problems. Now let's get into auto accidents. Why should somebody who's been in an auto accident come and see a chiropractor?
Oh, people who have been in a car accident should definitely come see a chiropractor. And the reason for that, even they may be asymptomatic a day or so after, sometimes you don't notice the pain for possibly weeks or months later. And it's been shown that about 95% of people who get in car accidents have some type of whiplash. And if you don't get that addressed or corrected early, it can actually accelerate or bring on the condition of arthritis in the neck unnecessarily.
Okay, so when someone comes in, do you handle all the paperwork and all the insurance stuff? Because I know that's kind of a hassle for a lot of people when they get in an accident.
Yes, we take care of all of that.
Okay, now I know you've, again, brought some testimonials of some people who've been in auto accidents who've gotten great results, so let's go ahead and listen to those too.
Well, about 35 years ago is when I first went. I threw my back out, and I happened to be next to the Gonstead Clinic in Mount Horeb, Wisconsin in them days. And that was my first experience. And then I had numerous car accidents and a motorcycle crash, which I broke 25 bones. And without chiropractic, I probably wouldn't be able to play golf today. I'm a 6 handicap now, and I don't think I'd be on the golf course if I didn't use chiropractic treatment at least twice a week. Anytime you've had an accident, anytime you've taken a fall, your recovery rate will be much quicker through chiropractic.
We were rear-ended when we were in Portland, had a car accident, and it made sense to go to a chiropractor when we went and saw him, and he helped us get through that rear-ending incident, and since then I was hooked. My children, I took them to chiropractors since they were real young. They're not afraid of doctors because they've been involved with chiropractic.
Okay, doctor, now what about children? Should parents bring their children into a chiropractor to get their spines checked?
Absolutely. It's very important for children to get their spines checked, because if they have a misalignment early on and it's not corrected, it can actually lead to other conditions later on that could have been prevented.
Okay. Now what other types of conditions do you treat in your office besides what we already mentioned?
Well, besides neck pain, headaches, and lower back pain, we also help people who have carpal tunnel syndrome, sciatica neuritis, frozen shoulder, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, otitis media for children, and even fibromyalgia.
Okay, so it's a lot of different things. So pretty much then if someone's got any kind of condition, they should really come in and just to see if it could be coming from their spine.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, do you want to remind people again of the special gift that you want to offer for people watching?
Sure. Anyone watching this evening, they're able to call the office at the number on the screen, and we'd like to invite them in for a complimentary consultation worth a $300 value.
Okay.
See if we could help them.
That's great, Doc. Now we have to take our next break again, and when we go to the next break, we're going to hear from a couple more testimonials. When we come back, we'll continue talking about this, okay? Now, if you're suffering with any type of pain and you're looking for a natural way to correct it without using medications or surgery, then you need to call Dr. Morgan's office and make an appointment to see her. As a doctor of chiropractic, Dr. Morgan has special training at treating most types of pain in your body. And if you're tired of taking medications that just cover up your symptoms and you're looking for a natural way to correct the cause of your pain, then you need to call Dr. Morgan's office now. When we come back from our next break, we'll continue to talk about why chiropractic has become so popular. We'll be right back.